So I was just editing the video that you can see right now for the ducktail, and I just noticed like there's a lot of clips I've been missing from my camera. I don't know, for some reason the camera didn't record video and audio at the same time. It just recorded the audio on my GoPro. I'm literally recording on my phone right now because I'm charging it right now. So guys, don't get confused. All I did pretty much, I mean, this is the final product. This is what you're gonna see at the end of the video. I'm probably gonna throw some wrap. I mean, I will do, maybe I'm gonna see how it looks and see. And then yeah, don't get confused because literally all I did is sanded the area, and then like that, put the ducktail. I secured with some screws here and there, I guess 3, and I pretty much like throw some Bondo, and then I sand it out, and then throw some primer, and again sand it out, and this is what you get. Now again, I'm sorry for the missing clips here and there. It's pretty easy, simple. It's just how I told you guys. You just sand it out, you put the ducktail on, you secure it, or like you wanna glue it, it's up to you. And you do the Bondo body filler, and then you sand it out, primer, and then you sand it out, and then paint or wrap. Let's see what am I gonna do at the end of the video. But pretty much this is, now it is perfect. It is perfect. No, it's not perfect. It is good. It is good. Yeah, again, I'm not professional. This is all I could do. I mean, it's a DIY. I told you guys, I don't know if I told you guys, but I went to the body shop, and the guy literally asked me like $1,600 for this kind of job, and he said it's not gonna be, he said like I'm not gonna guarantee that to you, so might as well just do it myself, and ended up with a pretty good result anyway, since he didn't like guarantee like 100% perfect result. So might as well just do it myself. And again, I really want to redo it, but it's really pain in the ass. I don't have time, and it's really pain in the ass again. I guess like you can't tell, not unless like you get super close, like even like by like you see like this little imperfection, like you can't tell not unless you get super close and you literally start feeling it. Damn, it's so hot. Yeah, literally you still like give it touch, like feel it. That's the only way you could feel it. Other than that, it's pretty dope, I guess. I haven't done nothing but to the rear. I don't know about that screw. I'm gonna take it out probably, but I mean, I bought it like for $200, and probably with the whole thing is like about $300. The whole thing, like the Bondo and everything. Let's just throw $100. Yeah, it's like, let's say 300, and then your time and your effort, and that's pretty much. I guess it's pretty good, because if you buy this like through if you buy the whole trunk, like the CSL conversion, I guess that's gonna cost you like around $1,200. I saw that some on eBay or some other websites that are really expensive. I mean, if you get the money, if you're on budget, do it like how I do it. I like to do a DIY on my car. Like, I know sometimes you could buy like certain products, like you could just throw it in, plug and play, but for me, I just like to do DIY on my channel, and to see, for you guys to see it too. Maybe you could do it for budget people. Might as well, why not? So sorry for that. Yeah, there's gonna be some missing parts, but it's gonna be pretty good. I promise you guys it's worth watching, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so we took out the logo, and I scraped as much as possible. Like there's still some, but that should be okay, because it's kind of like in the middle of that surface. Is not gonna be in touch or in contact. So first impression, it sits pretty good, especially in the center. It sits really good. On the side, you just have to put your fingers and feel it, make it perfect. So man, it sits perfect. All right, so I guess I wanted this head to be like flush with the surface, so hopefully so as you can see here, I put some masking tape so it doesn't move a little bit. So I literally wanted like somewhere in the middle, somewhere. I guess that would be perfect right here. All right, so we pretty much drilled 1, 2, 3 screw 1, 2, 3, and one right here to hold the bottom part. It's pretty okay. I mean, it's pretty okay. And then again, now with the Bondo, it's gonna be flush. Hopefully I could get this bar, like, I'm not sure how am I gonna make it, but it's probably gonna be a little bit like, it's gonna be like, this one's gonna be like a dip kind of, but I guess I'm gonna try to like cover it and then make it smooth. But overall, looks pretty good, pretty okay. So after screwing the wing or the trunk clip on the trunk, I pretty much took it off and sanded out like a little bit underneath and a little bit like down here, and then I applied the Bondo, and now I'm putting like the putty, all-purpose putty on this, and then I'm just gonna let it a little bit dry out until tomorrow, and then I'm gonna sand it out again to make it super smooth. And yes, alright, so now the final step, I guess, to use the not the final step, but like bondoing thing, the body fill thing. Okay, last step, I'm gonna be using the glazing and spot putty. So we're filling like these holes, like see like the green, this is like underneath fiberglass or underneath the primer. So these spots right there and like some holes here and there, that's what we're trying to cover. I fucked it up a little bit right here, but I'm trying to do a better job here and there. So looks so ugly, but that's how it actually should be. So here's where I have like some dips, like some small dips, some small scratches, and some small imperfection here and there. And here's the big dips, see the green ones. It's all covered right now, so it's already like dry. Like once I'm done, like it's already dry. And now to the fun part, applying the primer. And I bought the rust aluminum, I don't know what's done. Let's read first direction. Okay, hopefully it doesn't rain because it was dripped. Okay, it's so clean. I cleaned it before starting, so just wanna like give it a really nice coat. Just like because there's a lot of air right now. So here's the wrap so far. I guess the carbon fiber is gonna be really good. Not just because I did it, guys, no, really. I guess because the line, it's just like misleading the imperfections on the ducktail. So I guess if I keep the carbon fiber one, or like something that has like a similar pattern, like I think pattern itself, like it just throw the attention from these like small details, imperfection, dips and bumps stuff. So far this wrap is really annoying, but I get it why people get intimidated by that. Now all these like bubbles here and there, they're gonna be gone in the sun by time, because I have experience on this. Trust me, they're gonna go. And it is hard, but it's not impossible. I think it's worth the time and the work. So yeah, let's see at the end of the video how is it gonna look like. Peace. So we're here at the end of the video, guys. The wrap is going pretty good and pretty okay, but as you can see, it's raining. It started raining, and we're really like kind of running out of light. So I guess I'm gonna end up the video right here. I'm probably gonna put the picture like in for the thumbnail. How is it like completely wrapped after a couple of days from the videos been released. So I'm sorry. I really wanted to have like the full wrapped trunk, but we're running out of time and light, and it started raining. So at the end of the video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, peace out.